Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about the vectors. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to draw the diagram in here. So we know that this is about north, south, west and east. Now I will put this one at the center in here. So we know that a man traveling in his car as follows. First rise 10 miles northwest. Northwest, that is about this one. So northwest they will go in here. And we need to know that the angle in here that is about 45 degrees. Later that they will go to 12 miles south. Go in the south, that's it, go in this way. And the next one, we have 8 miles in the direction 30 degrees north of east. So if I put the location in here, so we have 30 degrees north of east. East, that is in here. North, they will go in here. So 30 degrees. So we have 30 degrees in here. So this is the location we need to find. So the next one, we need to calculate the magnitude of this one. So we know that we have 10 miles in here, 12 miles in here, and 8 miles in here. So from this point to this point, we need to find the distance in here. So in this one, we can use about coordinates. So at the beginning, we know that this location in here, that is about 0, 0. So at the next one, we go through to 10 miles in here. So we need to find this point in here. So we know that this is about 45 degrees. So we also know that this one, that is about the right triangle. So we can use about sine 45 degrees. That is about opposite divided by hypotenuse. So the hypotenuse, that is about number 10. So we can find the opposite in here. So we have number 10 multiplied by sine 45 degrees. So this one, we have 5 with the square root of number 2. Now we go to cosine 45 degrees. We can find about adjacent over hypotenuse. So we can find about adjacent. So this one, we have number 5 with the square root of number 2. So that means that we go to negative number 5 with the square root of number 2. This one, that is about 5 with the square root of number 2. So this point here, that's about negative number 5 with the square root of number 2. Positive number 5 with the square root of number 2. Now they go down 12 miles. That means find with the square root of number 2 minus number 12 in here. So this location that is about negative number 5 with the square root of number 2 and negative number 12 plus number 5 with the square root of number 2. And now we have 30 degrees and we have 8 miles in here. So this one, if we draw the right triangle, we can find about this side in here and this side here. So we have cosine 30 degrees. That is about adjacent divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse in this one we have number 8. So we find about adjacent. And this one we have number 4 with the square root of number 3. And now we have sine 30 degrees. So we have opposite divided by hypotenuse. So we can find the opposite in here. And this one we have number 4. So that means we have number 4 in here, and this one we have number 4 with the square root of number 3. So from this point here, they will go up 4 units and they will go to the right 4 with the square root of number 3. So this one, the last point, the final point in here, that should be about negative number 5 with the square root of number 2 plus number 4 with the square root of number 3. And then we need to have negative number 12 plus number 5 with the square root of number 2. So this one they go up to 4 units. So we need to add number 4 in here. So now we need to find vector of 8. So I will put point 8 in here. So that means this one minus number 0. So we keep the same. And this one negative number 12 plus 4, we have negative number 8 minus number 4, minus number 0, we keep the same. And now we can find the magnitude of vector of 8. So we calculate this one and we have 0.9399 miles. So the red one, that is about this one in here. So the direction. So if we draft the numbers in here, we have negative 0.1423. This one we have negative 0.93. So that means location of this boy very close in here. So in this location that is about southwest. So the direction that is about in southwest. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.